In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track restricted funds in QuickBooks Online. Managing restricted funds accurately is essential for maintaining clear financial records and ensuring compliance with regulations or donor requirements. QuickBooks Online offers a powerful tool called class tracking that helps you categorize and organize your transactions effortlessly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enable class tracking, create a specific category for restricted funds, and apply it consistently across your transactions. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to get started. Now, let's dive right in. The first step is to enable class tracking in QuickBooks Online. To do this, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard to access the Settings menu. From there, navigate to the Advanced Settings section. Look for the Categories option and toggle on the feature labeled Track Classes. Don't forget to save your changes. Turning on this feature is essential as it allows you to categorize transactions based on specific classes, such as restricted funds. Next, you'll need to create a new class specifically for restricted funds. Head back to the Settings menu and select Class Tracking Settings. Here, you'll see an option to add a new class. Name the class Restricted to ensure it's clear and easy to identify. When naming the class, take care to use consistent spelling and capitalization. For example, always use Restricted with a capital R if that's how you create it. This consistency is crucial for accurate reporting and prevents any confusion later on. Now that you've set up the class, it's time to apply it to your transactions. Whether you're entering an expense, bill, check, deposit, or journal entry, you'll see an option to assign a class when creating the transaction. Simply select the restricted class from the drop-down menu before saving the transaction. This step ensures that your new transactions are properly categorized from the start. If you have existing transactions that need to be updated, don't worry. QuickBooks makes it simple. Start by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner again. And this time, choose Reclassify Transactions from the Tools menu. This feature allows you to edit multiple transactions quickly. Once you're in the Reclassification tool, locate and select the account that holds the transactions you want to update. For instance, if you're working with donations or restricted funds, navigate to the relevant account in your chart of accounts. After selecting the account, review the list of transactions displayed on your screen. Identify the ones that belong to restricted funds and check them off for reclassification. After you've selected the applicable transactions, click the Reclassify button in the Class field. Choose the restricted class you created earlier. This step will apply the restricted classification to all the selected transactions at once. It's a quick and efficient way to ensure your records are accurate. Finally, it's important to maintain consistency when applying the restricted class across all relevant transactions. Whether you're entering new transactions or updating old ones, staying consistent ensures that your financial reports remain accurate and easy to interpret. Proper classification also helps create a clear audit trail, which is invaluable for both internal reviews and external audits. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.